Come on, quickly, everyone. Thank you for waiting. I've given trouble to you. Hi, everyone. Last session, exception handling mechanism we observed. Last session, we did exception handling mechanism. Himanshu, thank you. I'm doing fine, Himanshu. Shall I start the things? Last session, what we did, do you remember? Come on, everyone. Exception handling mechanism we completed successfully. Today onwards, I'm starting object-based programming. Object-based programming I'm starting today onwards. Right. How many you guys having OOPS knowledge? Any of you guys having OOPS knowledge? Can you ping quickly in the chat box? Come on quickly. Yes, Syed. Object-oriented programming. So OOPS. What is the OOPS meaning? What is the meaning of OOPS? Anybody? Object-oriented programming language, programming structure. Come on, anybody. Object-oriented programming. Come on, object-oriented programming, support, structure. Come on. System is the correct answer. Object-oriented programming system is the correct answer. Please remember, everybody. Here, what is object? Come on, it is instance or a reference. Am I clear what is an object? Am I clear? It is instance or reference or oriented. What is the meaning? It is the base or a root. What is the meaning of programming? It is a type of logic. What is the meaning of system? Collection of 6 principles. Collection of 6 principles. Collection of 6 principles. What are 6 principles? Anybody? Class, object, inheritance, Polymorphism. Come on, anybody? Encapsulation, abstraction. Any of you guys heard the names this much clearly? What is class? It is blueprint. Blueprint or a template. It is a blueprint or a template of an object. What is an object? It is instance or a reference. What is inheritance? Class members reusability, ability. There are different types of inheritance. Single level inheritance, single level inheritance, come on, multi-level inheritance, come on, multiple inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, come on, hybrid inheritance, come on, diamond inheritance, okay, diamond inheritance, cyclic inheritance, and okay, stop. Okay. Right, sorry. If I say all the inheritances, you won't come to next class, okay? Right, okay. Up to here enough. So are you getting what I'm teaching today's session? Are you getting what I'm teaching in today's session? Oops. Is JavaScript is oops based? No, but S. See the answer I'm giving. No, but S. How many you are having oops knowledge means I don't know. Some people given me correct answers. Some people I think they are not responded correctly. But even though okay, so I can't say anything today. Is a little late session, so all you people are waiting for me. I directly entered into subject. But yesterday I taught to you some functions. Do you remember what functions I taught in the last session? Can you tell me if you remember that? Come on, everyone. Okay. Global functions I started. What are the global functions I taught yesterday? Can you list me? Come on, quickly. Please be alert. Global functions, come on. Come on. Parse int, parse float. All these functions we work out. Right, very good. So all those we did, but all those after I'm starting today objects. So objects level things you are very clear one by one. So try to understand their OOPS level. Right. Class, object, inheritance level available here. All these are. So yesterday's level global functions. Today concept is what? Today concept is completely related to object. So OOPS level object oriented programming system. See the lines correctly understand. Object clear, oriented clear, programming clear, system clear. 6 principles are there. Each and every principle elaborately. Class, object, inheritance, reusability. How many? There are different types of inheritances available. Any of you guys having idea? Inheritance? Right. Single level, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical. So there are many. So I hope some of you guys having some idea. Single level inheritance, best example, father and son. And multi-level, grandfather, father, son. I hope you're understanding. Multiple, father, mother, child. Maybe anyone, son or daughter, whatever it is. Hierarchical means what I said. One class inheriting into all child classes. Hybrid inheritance. It is the collection of two or more inheritances. Am I clear, everybody? It is a collection of two or more inheritances. Clear for you all you people? Is a collection of two or more inheritances. Are you getting clarity, remaining members? Single level, multi-level, multiple, hierarchical, hybrid inheritance. Okay. Polymorphism. What is that one? Many forms or many functions. Many forms. It is classified into the following two types. What are the two types? Come on. Dynamic polymorphism. Anybody? Second one, static polymorphism. Dynamic polymorphism. It is classified into the following two types. What is that one? Anybody? Method overriding. Second one, constructor overriding. Okay, again static polymorphism. It is classified into the following two types. No, following three types. First one is method over, come on, loading. Constructor overloading. Third one, operator overloading. Some people are thinking seriously, sir, suddenly concept changed. Suddenly you enter into deep digging. What, sir? Come on, some emojis you can give now. emojis. Right. What's up to yesterday? You thought something, today onwards you changed completely dialogues. Overriding, overloading, constructor, that one, this one, inheritance, polymorphism, you're speaking some other words. Weather report completely changed. Right. Structure overloading. Yes, we can, Rakesh. In some programming, we can't do. Again, abstraction, encapsulation. Encapsulation means what? Data binding or data grouping. Abstraction means, anybody? Data hiding. Data hiding. Here only we are calling as concrete class. Concrete class. Abstract method. Abstract method. Abstract class. Abstract method. Lot of resources available. Anyway, something differently today's session is going on, but everybody understood about this one. A base class is inheriting into concrete class. So there are the big number of resources available. Abstraction. First of all, everybody got an idea. Oops level meaning basics are clear for you. Any word doubt, please question me. Come on, everyone. Before my session, this much clearly, anybody you heard the concept? Before my session, anybody this much clearly you heard that one? Oops means this much clearly existed. Definition of the object. Object means the instance or a reference. Shall I give simple definition? So when your parents are class, you are the object. That's it. Definition over. A child always coming from class. Data binding. We are unable to access data accidentally. Rudra. We are unable to access data accidentally. Already I said data binding. We are unable to access data accidentally. Right? Right. Binding. No, hiding different, binding different, Ratnakumari. What is binding? For example, you are having a bank account and your online banking facility is there, but some options only can able to access. Correct or not? All options in your account you are unable to access. This is called data binding. What is data hiding? Data hiding is the mechanism of, very simple one, I can say, okay, there is a couple, for example, they don't have kids, they adopted a kid. This adopted kid is called abstracted object. Why? From these parents, this kid is not getting any blood group, any DNA structure, any RNA structure, but this kid is learning all the habits from these parents. Maybe walking style, sitting style, sleeping style, maybe different characteristics, but internal property is completely different. I hope you got an idea now, binding and hiding difference. Ask me any question, I'll answer to you. So shall I go to now JavaScript objects level programming? Right, come down. JavaScript objects introduction. JavaScript is object-based programming. Okay. An object-based programming language allows you to define your own objects and make your own variable types. An object has properties and methods. Every object has properties and methods. Again, Syed is asking me what is binding, what is hiding. Data binding is nothing but unable to access all data. Abstraction means data, all internal properties different. How can I say data binding level? For example, you are having a bank account. Bank account is there for you. So you have understanding? So online bank facility is there for you. Can you access all options in online banking? Is it possible? Can access? No. Means data binding. They are allowing up to some level. After that one, please contact nearby branch manager, nearby branch account manager, nearby cash counter, something there will give you. That is encapsulation. First, clear encapsulation meaning. What is the meaning of binding? Right. Now abstraction, meaning what? There is a couple. They don't have kids. They adopted a kid. This kid is abstract object. Why? This kid is not getting any internal property like blood group, or DNA structure, RNA structure, or whatever you can. But this kid learn from these parents external features like, come on, like walking, talking, sleeping, laughing. Understood? This is hiding example. What is the meaning of hiding? Internal features never getting, only external features only we are getting. Okay, the best example of hiding is ATM. All operations you are doing by pressing buttons, but internally what happens? Do you know internally what program they wrote? Internal logic, you know, internal logic, we don't have idea. Understood at least now? ATM is the best example. Adopted kid is the best example. You are pressing buttons in the ATM, but internally don't know what happens. But our operation successfully completing. Clear at least now? Data hiding now. Come on, come on. Seriously thinking some people are. Data hiding ATM example. Encapsulation bank example. Very good. Now I'm coming to JavaScript related. JavaScript objects introduction. JavaScript is an object-based programming language. An object-based programming language allows you to define our own objects. Very good. What is the meaning of property? Properties are the values associated with an object. Example, length, width, height, name, all these are. Methods. Methods are the actions that can be performed on objects. Methods are the actions that can be performed on objects. Open, close, resize, there are the many words available. First of all, properties and methods both are clear for you. Shall I start example? Come on, properties and methods both are clear for you. Shall I start example? Right. Now I'm removing the things. Script level. I'm creating one object. Object name is student or employee is an object. So I'm creating object means here. New is compulsory. New operator is compulsory. Semicolon not compulsory. Right. Now I'm going to say emp dot. I'm giving one property name. I said, for example, something. Emp dot, for example, experience is equal to, I said 23 years. Oh, compulsory, you need quotation. Right. So I said like that. Emp dot location is equal to Hyderabad. Okay, right, great. So what I provide, I hope everybody are clear. So what is the name of the object here? What is the name of the object? Come on. Name of the object is EMP. Come on, reminding members, name of the object is EMP. Right. I want to display document.write. I'm writing. What that one? emp.name. emp.name. I'm giving concatenation. Within the quotation I'm giving is, and again concatenation, uh, a name, having, I'm writing, 23 years. I'm writing plus years of experience. I hope you're understanding what I'm writing. Then I'm writing here plus what I'm giving. Working location is uh, I'm giving emp.loc plus is current working location. Are you understanding what I wrote here, everybody? Can you check it once? Come on quickly, everybody. Right. New is not there. It is not an object. It is a variable. Rudra. So if I'm going to run this, what you are expecting? Come on, everyone. What you are expecting? Concatenating all the things with the that related names. That related names. Name, experience, and the location. Name, experience, and the location. So now you can check it. And concatenation, space required. Years of experience. Yes, on the web page. Hyderabad is the current location. Clear? So here, what is representing new? What a new duty here? What a new can do? It is creating an object. You want to create an object with the help of new keyword. But in this example, you observed or not clearly, object name is what here? EMP. See, every time you are using EMP, 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 EMP every time. Correct or not? Every time. So in this example, object name is repeated many times. Is repeated many times. This is not good programming style. So that time JavaScript having with the keyword. Using this keyword, we can reduce object name repetition. Right, clear? My explanation, are you understanding? My explanation, are you understanding? Right. Very good. Clear, all of you? Right. Perfect. This example is clear. By using with keyword, I'm showing to you. Observe, come to reality. Read with keyword now. There is a keyword associated with an object which is with. It creates a kind of halfway reference. We can drop the repeated references to person, means EMP, because with already made reference for us. Syntax, with object group of statements. First of all, definition syntax clear. I'll do EMP level with keyword implementation. Come on, everybody. Shall I start with keyword implementation? Right. Shall I implement in our program level with keyword? Right. Come to with keyword implementation. You can check it clearly. So scripting level, new object I created. So with what I need to say? EMP. Please observe everybody correctly. Right. So now you need to say here. So every time you need to write. Are you understanding? Clear, everybody? Come on, guys. Okay, so with once you declared here, you no need to write every time EMP like that. Then you can observe any change in the output. Any change in the output. Remaining members. I ran the program, output I'm showing to you. Any change is there, let me know it. So with this, what you are understanding? Is it simplified one? We no need to write object name every time. I hope you understood very clearly about the JavaScript level object declaration. Come on. Everyone. Come on, respond everyone. Am I any members? Anybody doubt? Also can question me. Right, output I shown to you 2-3 times. Once again, output I'm showing. Right, in JavaScript, we are having the provision. HTML DOM. Anybody you heard the name DOM? Starting serious programming, document, object, model. JavaScript objects available, browser objects available. What are the JavaScript objects? You can check it. Array object, Boolean object, date object, string object. There are many words are there here. Are you understanding? Number object, regular expression object. And browser objects are there. Window object, navigator object, screen object, history object, location object. Right? This is DOM, not DOS. Disk operating system is different, Rudra. Come on. Browser objects. In JavaScript level, everything we are treating as an object. How many types? 2 types. Check it. The 2 types what available. Right. REGXP, regular expression. REGXP means regular expression which is matching multiple conditions. Sayed. Right. Shall I start JavaScript objects one by one? First array object. Clear, basic level, all these names. First JavaScript objects I am starting. Next browser objects I am starting. Browser objects completely available on BOM based. What is a BOM? Browser object model. What is DOM? Document object model. There are the couple of methods available here. So up to here, every point clear for you. Any doubt you are getting? Now JavaScript array. Array object is used to store multiple values in a single variable. Array object is used to store multiple values in a single variable. The following point should always be remembered when using arrays in JavaScript. The array is a special type of variable. Values are stored into an array by using the array name and stating the location in the array you wish to store the values in brackets. Example stones. Values in an array are accessed by the array name, location of the value. Example. So my array of 2 you said. So first element will be 0, second element 1, third element will be 2. I hope you are understanding what is 0, 1, 2. JavaScript has built-in functions for arrays. Read. So Java array means homogeneous elements or heterogeneous elements. Array means homogeneous or heterogeneous. Homogeneous means what? What is the meaning of homogeneous? Same type. What is the meaning of heterogeneous? Different types. Right. Following points are clear. Any point out? 4 points explained to you. Come on, guys. Right. There is no doubt. Every point is clear for you. Array indexing mechanism starting with. Array indexing mechanism is starting with. Very good. Indexing mechanism starts with 0. Correct. Yes, guys. Now I am entering into creating JavaScript array. See how many ways? You can create JavaScript how many ways? Arrays in 3 ways. Literal, regular, condensed. So creating a JavaScript array. In JavaScript array, we can create in 3 ways. Literal, regular, condensed. Literal directly, regular with object, condensed also with object and items. So I'm showing these 3 things practically one by one. Shall I start the things practically? Right. First, we can try to observe literal. Okay. Right. Remove whatever the components available here. And I'm going to start a literal level. So first, I'm giving literal array declaration. Okay. Now I'm giving where, for example, my array is equal to. I'm writing simple HTML5, CSS, CSS3, JavaScript, jQuery. So I provided where keyword, very simple one. Now once completed that, I'm writing document dot write. Simple, I'm giving so number of array elements. Number of array elements. What that one? My array dot one property available length. So coming or not, we'll try to check it. I'm giving there is a break. I'm giving there is a break. Right, we are. So giving or not, we'll try to check it. Is it okay for you? Number of array elements 6 available. Can you count once? Come on, everyone. So in this situation, function my array elements length I said. you are getting. So then you are writing. Checking everybody. Then if you are coming here, click the button to display list of array elements. Then button on click is equal to click me. Hope you understood or not. We'll try to check it. Clear? Right. Clear all of you? Literal declaration is clear for you. Shall I go to regular declaration? Come on, come on. What you are thinking, my dears? Run once again, please. I ran already. Sirisha. Clear for you? Right. After this, regular. So regular declaration, observe everybody. So regular level declaration I'm doing. Right. What that one? Where any name is equal to, where doesn't require because object I'm giving new, array object I'm giving. Then my array of 0 is equal to what I'm giving? HTML. So one by one you can HTML5, CSS, 3, JS, jQuery, 1 is equal to, 2 is equal to, 4 is equal to, 5 is equal. At least now clear for you. Document dot write number of array elements or what I'm giving, my array dot length I'm giving. Come on, how many elements are there? Now also 6 elements only. Yeah. One element you can remove now. What is coming? Declaration, which level? This is what kind of declaration? Regular declaration. All these are clear for you. Next one is condensed declaration. Condensed declaration. You can check it correctly. What is the meaning of condensed declaration? Observe here, condensed level, how I'm declaring. Right up to here, your clear condense level I'm showing. Condensed declaration. Shall I move forward to condensed? Very good. Then I'm giving here. Here only you need to declare each and every element you need to declare. This kind of declaration you can remove. Check it once you are getting correctly or not. Yes, perfect. Check it once again, program. So these differences, three differences are there. Are you clear first? What is literal? What is regular? What is condensed? Are you clear? After this one, array object level, some kind of methods and properties available. What are the methods and what are the properties existed? We'll try to observe. What are the methods and what are the properties available? We need to observe. Condenser is available in front of you. Syed. With object only elements we are declaring. Understood? Check it. Syed. Right. Come on, basic level things. Hope everybody you are clear. Right, I'm providing complete resources, whatever explained today, mainly JavaScript level. So I'm not starting any array object level methods and properties because that is a bigger topic. But one length property I provided. What length property is doing here? What length property can do? It is giving number of elements in an array. It is giving number of elements in an array. JS. Intro part. Come on, guys. Any more questions? Please ping here. Are you understood at least objects introductory part? Are you understood objects introductory part? Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Good day. Yes, currently, Prem Kumar, no. My sessions, no. Any questions, please bring here. Thank you, everyone. Catch you tomorrow.